Welcome back. Today we will be taking you to see a rice harvest using a combine. But this is something that happens throughout Thailand. Some places once, some places twice a year. It depends on the...
To get the bird.
Oh yeah, they go after the seeds. It depends on the availability of water, whether they have the water available to flood the fields once or twice a year. But it takes several months for this stuff to grow and mature. And it takes a few minutes for this combine to come in and chop it down. And then they wait for some time, and then the next thing you know, they're doing it again. More rice, more combine. The cycle goes on and on and on. Amazed at how fast they're driving through this thing, and because of that wide track on that machine, even though it's very wet, it stays on top, Okay, now it's full, I guess. Oh, not yet. I'm impressed at how he got all the rice from around those poles without knocking them down.
Yeah, I think about that also, what we're gonna do with the pole.
Yeah.
Birds come more and more.
Oh yeah. The word's out. Look, they're flying in from the trees over there. I think what it is they're already familiar with the sound of the combines, Just like the dog barks when the owner comes, and the cows start making noise when they bring food. I think it's the same thing here. They hear the combine and they come. And just a few minutes and this field is done. So every 10-15 minutes they can do a ride. Yeah. Well, actually it's more because it goes to that second pole over there. So this is probably like a ride and a half. Okay, they're gonna go dump. There he goes, backing up.
Ready, set, go.
There it goes.
So about almost 2 right. That's what them get grain.
Yeah. See this stuff right here? You let it dry a little bit, Then you make it into bales for the cows. That's what this guy should do, And then he could feed them things all year, Well, it depends on how many bales you make, but instead of going and chopping the stuff, you can take this stuff and just take the string off wire, whatever they use here in Thailand, and just put it out there and let them go to town on the hay, you know. And then, you know, of course you supplement it with, you know, good fresh green grass, but that will save you a lot of work, and then especially in the winter when the weeds slow down here, the grass, you know.
Nothing slow down here.
Well, no, but instead of taking 1 day to grow, it takes a day and a quarter. So that's slowing down. Yeah.
But come here, let me tell you where to get the fresh grain at the front. Okay.
Coming to an end. Coming to an end. There it is.
It's like the movie Transformers. Eat.
And back to cutting some more. According to the forecast that I looked at yesterday, I haven't looked at it this morning, but today is supposed to be sunny all day, so this is actually a very good day for them to cut. Because tonight, tomorrow, it'll start raining again, you know. When that thing's shooting out, the birds are there, it looks like the grass buries them, but I guess not, because they just land beside the stream of straw or something. Okay guys, I hope it was not too much of a bumpy ride, but this is how you get your rice on the table. Somebody on the ground has to do the hard work, and in comparison to doing it by hand, this is pretty easy. However, it takes a lot of work to get to this point. So I'm glad you came along. I'm glad you got to see a rice harvest using a combine. If you've never seen that wind feels very nice. Seen it? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
Bye bye